the Managing Director of Nikon Malaysia Sendirian Berhad. We have Mr. Mahfuz Nabi Rasul, who is the Nikon Professional Services Senior Manager, and our guest speaker, Eunice Lim, our Z creators and Z photographers, Amir Fikri, Carmen Fu, and Amir Hakim. And also a very, very warm welcome to all of you who are here. Esteemed partners, friends from the media, very good morning and thank you for making time to come for this unveiling of the highly anticipated release of this latest Z series, the mirrorless camera, Nikon Z50. The Nikon Z50 is a compact, high-performance camera that inherits the award-winning quality, durability, and also the ergonomics of its Z series predecessors, Z7 and Z6. This camera is designed as the ideal companion for content creators to easily express and share their artistic vision online instantly. Can I get a show of hands who are content creators over here? Content creators, bloggers, vloggers. Yep, you're in the right event because today you're going to find out a lot about Z50. Okay, today's event is more than just a product showcase. As you can see, it's a reflection of Nikon's commitment to challenge the status quo, push boundaries, and discover new possibilities. During the next few moments, you'll be able to witness firsthand the camera's groundbreaking qualities and also an invaluable chance for you to test and discover what this new model can offer. So yes, we have test cameras later for you guys to test it on. So as you can see from the setup, as you walked in, you are definitely in for a treat. Are you guys excited? Okay, so without revealing too much, let us kickstart this morning's proceedings by welcoming Mr. David Ng, our Managing Director of Nikon Malaysia Sendirian Berhad, to deliver the opening address. Let's give you a round of applause.
Very good morning, esteemed business partners, friends from the media, and ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for joining our event today. I'm very glad to introduce to you the latest Nikon Z cameras, Z50, a compact, lightweight, and high-performance APS-C camera. Z50 inherits the quality, durability, and ergonomics of its sibling, Z6 and Z7, the full-frame Z6 and Z7, making it a perfect camera for content creator. And the launch of Z50 is showing the determination of Nikon in the mirrorless segment, which is currently the growing trend of camera market. The Z50 is sharing the same Z mount with Z6 and Z7. The use of large Z mount system in both APS-C and full frame category will optimize the optical performance in our lens development. Thank you for your support and thank you once again for joining us today. Thank you.
Okay, so without further ado, let's go for a product tour of the Z50. Do you want them to freestyle? Any freestyle?
Okay, look here, in this direction. Right?
Freestyle, is it?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. All right.
Okay, any other requests before we let them go?